I know you're tired, the kind of tired that sleep doesn't fix. If you're using right now, fentanyl, pills, whatever's getting you through, I'm not here to lecture you. I'm Paul, a registered social worker in Ontario, and I've spent time on the front lines of harm reduction. I've been in the room on the worst days. So I'm not going to flinch, and I'm not going to talk down to you. Here's what I know. You're not using because you're weak. Somewhere this started as the only thing that worked, the only thing that quieted it down. And now it's got its hooks in, and the supply out there is trying to kill you. That's not you failing. That's poison in the drugs. I also know you've probably got people who haven't given up on you, even if it doesn't feel that way. And maybe a part of you that's still in there, tired of all of it. You don't have to be done. You don't have to have a plan. You just have to still be here. We can start with staying alive, naloxone, using safer, and go from there, at whatever pace is real for you. If you're using or you love someone who is, reach out. I work with men across Ontario online, no waitlist. Free 15-minute call, links below. And right now, carry naloxone, and if it's an emergency, call 911.